everyone. Today's Friday's menu is keema. For that, you need nicely chopped keema, and in that, you need nicely chopped onions. Wow, look at the way it is chopped, and it is being cooked on the medium and sliced chilies, cinnamon, one cinnamon, and cloves. Perfect. And you have nicely triangle chopped tomatoes in it. Let's go ahead and see what is the next step. Alright, so here comes the next part. There is the curry leaf and bay leaf, and also you have the royal cumin seeds in it. Alright, let's wait until this onion is slightly golden brown. Perfect. After the onions has been slightly brown, add little bit of turmeric powder in it. Let it burn on a slightly medium flame. Here's a small trick in between. Onions to cook faster, you have to sprinkle a little bit of salt so that onions would cook fastly. And 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I guess this is universal in any curries. Perfect. We have added the tomatoes in it, which was slightly chopped, and some more salt on it to cook. Meanwhile, the tomato is cooking. Let's look at the nature plants and have peas. At the top it is slightly red, and at the bottom it is green. So it is still ripening stage, and once it is ripened, it will fall down, and then you can have amazing taste of the mangoes. Let's go ahead and look what stage the keema is being into. Wow. While I return back, my mom has added chili powder in it. And look at the way it is cooking and giving the nice essence. Wow. Let's wait until we put the keema in it. Alright. Once the cooking is done, you have to do the half help to the cook, like cleaning this type of garbage. I mean, it's not garbage, it's a natural waste which you need to put it for the reuse. Alright, I've bought a special cow ghee from the market. Look at the way it is. It's pure yellow, that means it's a cow ghee. And let's put it into the old tumbler which was previously used for ghee. Okay, there you go. Nice. Yes, there you go. Wow, lovely. Everything is dumped into the tumbler, and I will leave it like this for a while so that every ounce of it falls in this. And if not, as we use in the old style, we will cut this and use it. Yeah. Alright, mom has added little more spice so that it tastes amazing. And here's the trick for the keema, how to cook is you have to leave it on the medium flame, and it has to ooze out the water. But until then, you don't need to add the water, it has to ooze out the water. Around the corner, it is oozing out some water. Perfect. The same way it has to. Alright, we have covered the lid of the cooker, and we will leave it for the 6 whistles. Perfect. The keema is cooked. Alright, a little bit of coriander powder is added after the 8 whistles of cooking, and some more coriander leaves on it. Lovely. I think it's cooking deliciously. I will let you know how it will taste in a while. The keema is nicely cooked, and look at the delicacy. I'm going to taste it and let you know how it tastes. And we also have few pieces of chopped onions in it. Alright, I have just tasted that meal and it tastes so amazing and it gives such a good feeling to your mouth. So I would want you all to try that recipe and let me know in the comment section. Also, I'm not going to tell you to like, share and subscribe this video because it is very old for this YouTube trend.